I'm going to show you how are you going to do the version control in Google Sheets. On the main screen, on the ribbon, you are going to see here a click called Open Version History. And if you click this link, you will see here all versions of the current file. Now you can see that this file was started in April, and I have been editing it. Now a couple of things that you should know is that if you click the three dots on the right top, you are able to make a copy of that version of the document, and at the same time you can also name the version. And you have a toggle here where you can only choose the versions that you have named previously. This is very useful and helpful if you want to keep the updates and the versioning of your file. Then you can also click here the show changes or not. Now let's go here. We have changed some data on this file, and if you click don't show changes, then there won't be colors. But if you say that show changes, then there will be colors. So let's, for example, go back to the file and delete this cell over here. And let's go to the version history. Alright? And you can see that when we say show changes, the Google Sheet is automatically coloring the cell which we just deleted. So that's how it reflects. Now I don't want to, I want that cell, so I want to restore to this version. So when I click that, it will bring back to the previous version. That's how Google Sheet versioning works.